Good morning, students. How are you all? This is our English subject, and yesterday we have read the poem All of Me. Everybody had read the poem. So shall I read it once? Now see. See my eyes, see my eyes. See my nose, see my nose. See my fingers, see my fingers. See my toes, see my toes. See my lips, see my lips. See my knee, see my knee. Now you have seen all of me. There's no one in this whole wide world exactly just like me. I am me and you are you. We are special, don't you see? What does this poem tell us about? That we all are different, we are not exactly the same. This boy is telling, no one is exactly like me. I am special. Everyone is special in its own. I am me and you are you. So we are special. Now next page. We will do some exercise. Tick the right options to complete these sentences. Now first, my eyes, nose and lips are part of. First option, my face. Second option, my head. Now tell me, eyes, nose and lips. Eyes, nose and lips are part of. Part of face or head. Eyes, nose and lips are part of which part? Face or head? It is the part of face. So we will tick here. Second, my fingers are a part of my. First option, legs. Second option, hands. Now tell me, fingers are part of my. Fingers are part of which part of the body? It is the part of hand. So we will tick here, hands. My toes are a part of my. First option, feet. Second option, head. My toes. Where are toes? Here. These are the toes. So, are a part of my. Which part of the body it is? Feet. So, we will tick the first option, feet. Now, in this world, there is, first option, no one exactly like me. And second, someone who is like me. Now, what does this poem tell us about? Is everyone exactly like each other? No, no one is exactly like each other. So, poet is saying, no one is exactly like me. Now, we will do some grammar part. In this part, we will study about one and many. When there is more than one of anything or anybody, we add s at the end of the word. When there are more than one thing, we add s. And if there are only one thing, single thing, we write only the name. For example, this is one eye. One eye. But when there are two eyes, we add here s. And we mention here two eyes. S is mentioned. Why? Because there are two, more than one. Now next is one cat. Here only one cat is there. But when there are 1, 2, 3 cats, we write here S. after the name we write s. Why? Because when there are more than one thing we add s at the end of the word. So we mention here number also 3 cats. Some more examples are there. This is one pencil, and when many pencils are there we write here pencils, s. We add s at the end of the word. Next page. Here one girl. Here only one girl is there, but in next picture you can see here 2 girls are there. So we add here s. Why? Because 2 girls are there, and we also mention here number. Here are some examples. We will write s after the words to show many. Here is one cake. Here, is it one cake or more than one? There is more than one. So we will write here cakes. We add here s. Now here one pin, and here many pins. Many are there, so we write here pin s, pins. Single, one orange is there, so here we will write oranges, es, oranges. Now one car, and here 2 cars, s. Understood? Whenever there are more than one thing we have to add s at the end of the word. Now see, filling the blanks. This is the boy, and he is saying some sentences. Here we have to add some words. Here in brackets some words are given. Now see, what is the first sentence? I see with my dash. I see. See means he looks. How he looks? With his eyes. He looks with his, he sees with his eyes. I eat. How this boy eats? I eat with my. How will you eat? You will eat with your mouth. Here mouth spelling is there. Next, I hear with my. Hear. How we hear the sounds? We can hear the sound by ears. So we have to write here ears. Why ears? Because 2 ears are there. I breathe through my. Breathe. How he takes inhale air? Through nose. I write with my. How we write? Which part of the body is used while writing? This, hand. We use our hand. So the boy is saying, I write with my hand. So you all understood up to here? Now once again you please revise it, this question answers also and this grammar part.